What's over here?
Food. Put on the camera. Every year complaints you don't get to eat.
Okay.
Put on the camera. That's all I want, Ross.
So that Dutch pot, Dutchy, Dutchy, Jamaican pot, Dutchy, Dutchy. You see that? Wicked pot, them pot there, you know.
What's Dutchy?
Dutch pot.
What's Dutchy?
Dutch pot, the Jamaican, them
What does that mean?
set it. Dutchy, Dutch pot. See, look, Dutch pot.
A little ackee.
Yes.
We have, you can get 2 meat, so we have
No,
oxtail,
ackee. Give me
curry goat.
give
You
me
can
oxtail and
get a
curry goat.
little ackee with the 2 meat.
No, just curry.
Yeah.
Oxtail.
You want curry goat. And we have turn cornmeal.
You have turn call me, let me see, over the pot. Let me see. Fine, you have turn call me.
I can come back and next year 2 times. Next year we there. I'm in a victory after that. Sometimes we go some places.
What else is there?
We go some places.
Pork
How
or
we get this
chicken?
one? Sometimes we go some.
Him say one curry goat. One and cheese.
You want any gravy on the rice?
Yes, please. Yam and banana now.
We have breadfruit, we have festival, we have raw veg.
Breadfruit, please, and some raw vegetables.
Breadfruit, raw veg.
Alright, I want the same thing for him, what him get, but I want a little turn call me and a little ackee in the mind.
Oh, you ready?
So the same thing. But before you do anything, I want to see the turn call me there. I want to see. Okay, turn call me, nice. Yeah, thank you.
We have sweet and sour veggie chunks.
Nice.
We have ackee and
Oh wow, that's so nice.
this is the oxtail, curry goat.
Oh my gosh. Rice and peas and rice and gungo.
We
Okay.
have fish, yes, we have fish.
Alright, so
You put insect breadfruit. Hello? Yeah? Yeah?
But that's it.
Yes, tell him when him go and pick up, he must pick him up, please.
That's it, yeah.
Now 1 o'clock. Red or gungo.
Gungo. Wicked, that's good. Alright.
So who else asked?
Then we want some oxtail curry goat and a little ackee. That's here. Is you cook it?
Yes, sir.
You're a good cook.
Yes.
Where you learn to cook? You learn formally or you learn from your mother? Or you're born with a skill?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good. Curry goat.
No tomatoes.
Thank you.